I just need to know what crime you suspect me of committing.
No crime. I'm here because you're acting suspiciously.
Is that a crime?
Okay. No.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's story was submitted by a viewer named Adam. While vacationing in Florida in February of 2021, Adam witnessed two unmarked police interceptors driven by deputies of the Monroe County Sheriff's Office make two alleged reckless maneuvers that caused Adam and his wife to swerve their car and motorcycle. This prompted Adam to travel to the sheriff's office to file an anonymous complaint, during which he had a very professional interaction with the clerk.
It was an unmarked police interceptor. They were hiding on the side of the road, two of them, and one of them pulled out in front of my wife, who was driving the car in front of me, and I was on my motorcycle. So they basically cut us off while we were driving at the speed limit. That was the first thing. That wasn't so bad, but they decided to make a left across the road and stop basically in both lanes of traffic. No turn signal, no emergency lights.
Okay.
So I approached them after they pulled over. I indicated that I need them to tell me that they understand that they can't do that. Instead, they simply told me to walk away.
As they were leaving, two deputies exited the side door of the building and wrote down Adam's license plate number, possibly because he filled out the complaint as good citizen, or perhaps to retaliate in some way. But before we get into that, I want to tell you about the last wallet you'll ever buy. Exter has reimagined the traditional wallet, making it easier to use and harder to lose by bringing together the luxury of classic leather and the invention of slim technologies. But what does that mean exactly? First off, Exter wallets are a sleek, minimalist design made with high-quality leather that holds up to 12 cards and cash available with the click of a button. As far as the tech side of it, Exter wallets have built-in RFID protection to block wireless theft. But the coolest addition is the solar-powered tracking device that uses a two-way ring system to deliver separation alerts and track the wallet's location. Simply charge it by leaving it in the sun for 2 hours, and it works for 3 months. I actually got my first Exter wallet over a year ago, and its presentation always sparks conversation. But I just upgraded to their new modular bifold. It has a removable magnetic card holder, so if you don't need all this extra stuff, remove it and take what you need. Their Father's Day sale is live with the release of this video, and you can save 20 to 30% on your order, or if you use my link, you save 25% on all orders or 35% off orders over $150. They make a perfect gift or a perfect wallet for yourself. So use my link in the description or pinned comment and get your Exter wallet today. And now, back to the video, where two deputies have taken down Adam's license plate after he filed a complaint. The deputies then rush back inside and lock the doors while refusing to identify themselves to Adam. All of the employees then disappear from the lobby and refuse to answer the door.
So just in here a moment ago, I got a FOIA request. These cops are hiding inside because I wanted to file a FOIA request.
It appears they even go as far as to put up a sign that claims the office is closed, though it was within the normal operating hours and he had just been inside filing paperwork moments earlier.
Office hours, 8 a.m. to 5, Monday through Friday. They just put this sign up because, as you know, I was in here a moment ago.
This is the footage from when Adam entered the building moments ago. The sign is absent. Using his other phone, Adam then calls dispatch to have someone open the door.
I was submitting a form for a FOIA request and for a complaint form. And as I was leaving, an officer came out and wrote down my license plate number. Now they've locked me out of the building and I need some help.
What is your name?
Good citizen.
Okay, so you're not gonna leave me your name to have the deputy meet with you?
No.
A few minutes later, after not hearing back, he calls again.
I'm trying to get inside. They've locked me out of the building. I'm trying to get someone's name and badge number.
Okay, who exactly?
Well, if I knew their name and badge number, I wouldn't be asking for it, would I?
Yeah, I guess so. What is your date of birth?
No, you can call me good citizen.
Well, I have your name, Adam, right?
No.
Okay, well, I know you're Adam.
How would you know that?
They're aware. We'll get someone over there.
It's clear at this point that they ran his license plate to identify him as the person that filed a complaint. A few more minutes pass and he calls the lovely dispatcher again.
Sheriff's office, this is Jasmine.
Hi, Jasmine. I need somebody to open the locked door at the Monroe County Sheriff's Office.
Stop calling. I'll let you know that someone's en route, okay?
Do you know that I've been sitting here outside for 11 minutes?
11 minutes?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Someone's en route. Thank you. Bye.
After waiting for over 20 minutes, someone arrives in the parking lot but is also denied entry. As the man is leaving, Deputy Stolkin arrives on scene in a marked unit, almost 25 minutes after Adam was locked out.
I'm actually here complaining about their driving. Isn't that funny?
Now give up to that.
Mm-hmm. You here to open the door?
11 something. No, sir, I'm not here to open the door. Do you have your identification on you?
Yeah, I just need to know what crime you suspect
Keep
me
your
of
hand out of
committing.
your pocket.
I just need to know what crime you suspect me of committing.
No crime.
Well, then I'm not going to ID.
Right now, it's trespassing because you've been told to
I haven't
leave.
been trespassed.
Okay, well, you've been told to leave
No, I
and you
haven't.
failed to do so.
No, I have not.
I need to see your identification.
I have not been trespassed from this location, sir. All I
Okay,
need
well, I'm
is-
here to do that
Sir,
now. Okay.
I'll leave, but I need to have her name and badge number. She contacted me.
Who?
You understand the conundrum?
Who?
What do you mean who? I need her
Which
name and badge
person?
number.
Which lady?
She has a short haircut. She's older. How many of those ladies do you have here?
I don't know anyone
Well, then
that
let's open the
matches
door
that
and find out.
description.
Let's open the door and find out.
No, I'm not opening the door.
I need somebody who contacts me as a public official to identify themselves to me.
I need you to
when they
identify
run-
yourself
Not
to
gonna
me
do that.
because I am law enforcement and
gonna
I'm here because you're acting suspiciously.
Is that a crime?
No, but in the state
You
of
know
Florida,
I'm here.
listen to me.
No, you know why I'm
listen,
here.
right now.
You know why I'm here,
listen
sir.
to me. Listen to me, okay? I'm requesting your identification. In the state of Florida, you are required to identify yourself to a law enforcement officer.
If you suspect me of committing a crime, or about to commit a crime, or you have reasonable articulable suspicion of a crime.
And that would be that
Rats.
now.
No,
Okay?
no.
Which it
Give
is.
me her name. He was out there. He can identify her.
Okay.
What is her name and badge number, sir?
Go ahead. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Deputy Stolkin fails miserably to serve the public and escalates the encounter, arresting Adam and charging him with resisting without violence and trespassing, despite never having been told to leave until Deputy Stolkin arrived, and Adam agreeing to do so with the request of identifying the officers that ran his plates. It's also clear from the body cam video that Adam never resisted or obstructed either officer, as neither had the lawful authority to demand Adam's name. Not to mention, they already had it from when they ran his license plates after he filed a complaint. This guy seems to either be brand new or has spent 30 years on the force without learning when officers can demand identification, and this one appears to have a hard time putting together a cohesive sentence outside of "I am the law, you must do as I say, comply or go to jail." Both lack the professionalism or decency in this incident that you would expect from a public servant, and considering the totality of the circumstances, it appears that they are complicit in conspiring against a man to shut him up, all for filing a complaint. Adam fought the charges for 14 months. And fast forward to April of 2022, the case was dismissed just 12 hours before court. Adam is currently working with a civil rights attorney to sue the officers and Monroe County for deprivation of rights under color of law, violations of his First and Fourth Amendment rights, and malicious prosecution. What do you think? Did these officers uphold their oaths? Or was this an overreaction or possible retaliation for Adam filing a complaint? Let me know what you think in the comments down below. As always, thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like to submit for review, use the link in the description or pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for future content. And remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. It really helps the channel. If you enjoy our content, try our other channels, Lackluster Limited for criminal psychology content, and The Odd Side for paranormal videos. Shirts and other merchandise are available at the Teespring store. Memberships start at just just $1 if you'd like to help further support the channel and get a slick lack logo next to your name. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. All links are down below.